Hey everybody, so this is a math lesson about adding with 3 addends, okay? So we've done this math before, we've done things that are harder than this, but I do want to just remind you and show you how to use 3 addends and how to find them out of a story problem. So let's start with our story problem here. I'm going to read it to you as I show it to you. So here it is, okay? It says Barry has 5 stickers. Wanda gives him 3 more. Jamie gives Barry 6 stickers. Now how many stickers does Barry have? Alright, so what is that question asking us? What does it want to know? Well, at the end, it asks us, how many stickers does Barry have now? So it wants to know, after all this, how many is he left with? Are we going to add for this problem or subtract for this problem? Let me read it again and then you tell me, okay? Barry has 5 stickers. Wanda gives him 3 more. Jamie gives Barry 6 stickers. Now, how many stickers does Barry have? Okay. So are we adding or subtracting here? Well, we're adding because Barry keeps on getting more stickers, okay? So he starts with 5. Wanda gives him 3. And Jamie gives him 6. So I know that my addends are going to be 5, 3, and 6. Now, guys, when you're reading a story problem, some people might tell you just to hunt for the numbers and then do what you think. We're not going to do that. Do not just hunt for those numbers. Because a story problem is really giving you instructions on how to use the numbers. Now, the numbers are important. Got to have them. I want you to know where they are. But I also want you to know why we're using them. If I had not read the story problem and I just saw the numbers 3, 6, and 5, and maybe I subtracted one. Maybe I added them all together, but I wouldn't know why I added them all together. Maybe I subtract them all and I get some kind of crazy wrong answer. You have to read the whole problem. The numbers are important, but don't just go hunting in there for the numbers, okay? So, we've read our problem. We know that we're adding because we read the whole problem. Barry has 5. Wanda gives him 3 more. Jamie gives Barry 6. How many does he have now? So, what I'm going to do is I'm going to write B for Barry. And I know that Barry has 5, so I'm going to put him with 5. I'm going to write W for Wanda. I know that Wanda's got 3, so I'm going to write 3. And then I know that Jamie gives him 6, so I'm going to go ahead and draw those out too. Now, I have gone ahead and drawn the models for these. You might not need to draw the models. You might want to use a different strategy. A great one to use would be a number line, and maybe we'll do one of those too. But we're going to start by using models, okay? So, Barry has 5, Wanda has 3, and then Jamie has 6. Okay. So here we go. You can see that I've already drawn out the models. 5 is Barry, he's green. Wanda is 3, she's pink. And then Jamie is 6, he's green. Now the first thing that I'm going to do with these models is I'm going to look and I'm going to see if I can make a 10. Do you see where I could make a 10? I see a group of 10 in there. Well, I know that 5 and 5 makes 10. And I know that 6 is more than 5. And plus I already have this other 5 over here. So I know I've at least got one group of 10 in there. So I'm going to count out 10. I'm going to circle those, and I'm going to make that a group of 10, a stick of 10. So I'm going to draw that out as a stick of 10, okay? First, we're going to count. Are you ready? Count with me. Here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. That's all it is. 1, 2, 3. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So that's Barry and Wanda together. How many more would I need to make 10? Just 2 more. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay, my first group of 10. So I'm going to go ahead and circle that group. And then I'm going to redraw my models over here. So I've got one group of 10. And I've got 1, 2, 3, 4 units left over. Now, how much does that represent? One group of 10 and 4 units. How much does that represent? One group of 10 and 4 units. It represents 14. So for my answer up here in my number sentence, don't forget to write your answer in your number sentence. Miss Barton always forgets, and Kelly always had to tell me. She had to say, Miss Barton, you did not do your number sentence. Don't forget to do your number sentence like Miss Barton did sometimes. Don't forget to fill in that answer. Now let's check it on the number line, okay? So what I'm going to do first, and I'm going to use colorful pens. And if you don't have colorful pens to do this, that's okay. You don't need them. It's just to help me see it. Okay, so what I'm going to do first is I'm going to draw berries 5. Okay, so here on my number line, I'm going to count out 5. Ready? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So I know this is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. There we go. So I know that's berries. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, now I have to add 3 more to be Wanda's. So I'm going to switch my colors because pink is for Wanda. And I'm going to do 3 more. I'm going to make 3 more. Here we go. 1, 2, 3. Okay, so I added 3 more. You see it at the bottom there? Let's count up. So let's start at 5 and let's count 3 more. Ready? 5, 6, 7, 8. So after I add in Wanda's, I land at 8. Am I done? No, I still have Jamie's. How many does he have? Oh, Jamie's got 6. Okay, so let's do his. Ready? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Awesome. Let's count on and check with our number line to make sure that 14 is right. Okay, so 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. So 5 plus 8. Yeah, 5. Not 5 plus 8. 5 plus 3 plus 6 equals 14. So I can show it with models or I can show it on my number line, okay? Now the number line was just to check it. My first strategy was models, but I always want to make sure that I use more than one strategy to check it. Don't use the same strategy because what if you're doing it wrong? Use more than one strategy so that way you know that your answer is right. Just like Miss Barton used models and a number line here. Okay, well thank you for listening to this lesson about 3 add-ins and story problems. I know that I used small numbers, but remember you got to start small before you can go big, okay? Check y'all next time. Have a good day.